Why GPU as a service is driving the next wave of data center investments. For years, data centers were built to store data. Now they're being rebuilt to think. And that shift is triggering one of the fastest infrastructure races we've ever seen. Across the US, AI, machine learning, and high-performance computing are fundamentally changing what data centers are designed for. At the center of it all are GPUs and a new model of accessing them: GPU as a service. We're moving from CPU-driven systems to GPU-first infrastructure. Rack densities are jumping from 5 to 10 kilowatt to over 100 kilowatt. AI training, generative models, real-time inference. These workloads are compressing expansion timelines and accelerating capital deployment. The old way of building data centers is becoming obsolete. Here's the deeper shift. GPU as a service is not just about access to compute, it's changing how capital flows into this market. Instead of owning expensive GPU clusters, companies can now rent them, scale instantly, and align costs with usage. This is pulling more players into the AI ecosystem faster than ever before. Hyperscalers like AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud are leading this transition. They're building multi-gigawatt campuses, securing long-term GPU supply, and setting the benchmark for AI infrastructure. Where they expand, demand clusters follow. But the biggest constraint isn't space, it's power. GPU clusters require massive energy, pushing operators toward direct utility partnerships, renewables, and even alternative energy strategies. Securing power early is becoming a competitive advantage. At the same time, traditional air cooling is no longer enough. Liquid and hybrid cooling systems are quickly becoming standard for high-density GPU environments. We're now seeing the rise of AI-native data centers, built from the ground up with higher load capacities, optimized layouts, and modular designs for rapid scaling. This is a complete reset in how infrastructure is designed. However, rapid investment brings risks. Oversupply in major hubs is a growing concern. That's why expansion is shifting towards secondary markets like Ohio, Reno, and Atlanta, where power is more accessible and costs are lower. This is an AI-driven supercycle, and GPUs are at its core. To understand where this market is heading, explore our full report in the description below, and subscribe for more insights like this.